Future wars will likely be shaped by emerging technologies, shifting global power dynamics, and evolving societal trends. Here's a glimpse into what wars might look like in the future. Increased use of autonomous systems such as drones is on the horizon. Swarms of autonomous drones will be used for reconnaissance, surveillance, and combat missions. Robotic soldiers and autonomous ground vehicles and robots will be deployed for tasks like explosive ordnance disposal and sentry duties. Satellite-based systems will play a crucial role in future wars, providing communication, navigation, and surveillance capabilities. And space-based sensors, well, these advanced sensors in space will detect and track enemy missiles, aircraft, and other threats. So, network-centric warfare is really changing the game. In the future, wars are going to be fought more and more in the digital realm, with cyber attacks specifically targeting enemy command and control systems, networks, and, even critical infrastructure. Artificial intelligence in cyber warfare, well, that's a whole new level. AI-powered cyber attacks are going to become a lot more common, making it possible for much more sophisticated and targeted attacks than ever before. Electronic warfare capabilities are now being used to disrupt or even disable enemy radar communication and navigation systems. Plus, high-power microwave weapons, or HPM weapons, will be used to actually destroy or disable enemy electronic systems. Hypersonic missiles will be used to attack high-value targets, such as command centers, air defense systems, and naval vessels, and hypersonic aircraft will also be used for reconnaissance, surveillance, and strike missions. Advanced propulsion systems and electric propulsion systems will be used in future spacecraft and aircraft, offering greater efficiency and maneuverability. Plus, advanced nuclear propulsion and next-generation nuclear propulsion systems will be used in submarines and surface ships, providing greater endurance and power. Artificial intelligence and machine learning support systems will be used to analyze vast amounts of data, providing commanders with real-time insights and recommendations. And machine learning-enabled predictive maintenance algorithms will be used to predict and prevent equipment failures, reducing downtime and increasing operational readiness. Human-machine interfaces, along with augmented reality and virtual reality technologies, will be used to enhance training, planning, and execution of military operations. Brain-computer interfaces will also be used to enable soldiers to control machines with their minds, which, honestly, will revolutionize the way military operations are conducted. Logistics and supply chain management, together with autonomous systems, will be used to manage and transport supplies, reducing the need for human logistics personnel. 3D printing and additive manufacturing will be used to produce spare parts and equipment on demand, reducing reliance on traditional supply chains. Information operations and psychological warfare, in addition to social media, will be used to influence public opinion, demoralize enemy forces, and disrupt enemy command and control systems. Psychological operations will be used to demoralize enemy forces, undermine their will to fight, and promote friendly forces' interests. These emerging technologies and trends will, without a doubt, fundamentally change the nature of warfare, making it more complex, dynamic, and unpredictable.